Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low bun hairstyle. To start, all we're going to do is gather the hair into a low ponytail. I've left a few hairs out around their face just to soften the look. Now we're going to create a rope braid, so divide your ponytail in half, twist both sections to the left hand side and then cross the left strand over the top of the right strand. And just carry on using this method until you reach the end of the hair and secure it with a clear elastic band. Take hold of that rope braid and we're just going to fold it in half, so bring the end up underneath so it touches that first elastic band. Hold it all together and then just wrap another clear elastic band around it. Now we're just going to create a small hole behind that ponytail and then just poke a couple of fingers up through this hole. Pass that braided bun up to your fingers and pull it through so you've created a twist. Add some texture spray to the crown area of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the top of the hair just to loosen everything up a little bit. Also pinch and pull at those twists. Now all we're going to do is push the twists towards the head and secure them with a couple of bobby pins. Next, take hold of that braided bun and all we're going to do is pinch and pull at all the little loops until it's nice and voluminous. And then we're just going to anchor this on the left hand side and the right hand side of the head using a bobby pin or two. Keep pinching and pulling until you get the bun looking how you like it. And that's all there is to it. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.